Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. So today we are going to be making a salsa from scratch. So it's really one of my go-to recipes for chips and dips and as a side for some of my Mexican dishes. So let's get our ingredients together so we can get this salsa cooked up. Before we continue, I publish new videos every Tuesday, so remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also enable notifications and you'll be the first to know when new videos are published. So now, back to our recipe. For our salsa, we're going to need the following. Roma tomatoes, tomatillos, peeled and washed, poblano peppers, jalapeno pepper, a serrano pepper, white onion, garlic, lime, and cilantro. So let's start getting our ingredients prepared so we can get our salsa made. Alright, so we've got everything ready here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our tomatoes and we're going to just cut those in half and put them down on a foil lined baking dish. Alright, and then our tomatillos have been washed and cleaned and peeled. So they're going to go down whole. So we're going to cut the end off of our jalapeno and we're going to cut it in half. And my jalapenos, I don't take the seeds out because I find that they do have enough bite to the salsa has enough bite with just the jalapenos. But I do remove the seeds from the other peppers. Now, if you like really spicy salsa, then you can leave this in. Now, I'm going to tell you again, once you're done slicing up your peppers, you're going to need to wash your hands. Because if you don't, and you end up touching your face or some other part that's very sensitive, you won't be happy. I tend to do that even though I know better. So I've done that several times while making salsa where I have inadvertently touched my eyes or something. So we're going to get us 3 nice sized cloves of garlic. There we go. Move some here. Oop. That's it right there. Yeah, because all these seeds are hot. Well, mostly the serranos are hot. I don't find the poblano peppers to be that spicy, but that's me. Alright, set that right there. And we only need half of our onion. And I'll use that in another dish. Sharpen my knife. There we go. Set that right there. Move this out of our way. And And now what we're going to do is we're going to brush all of this with some olive oil. And now we're going to pop this into the oven on broil for about 15 minutes till the vegetables are all nice and toasted. So let's get this into the oven. Alright, these have been going for about 10 minutes under the broiler, and as you can see we've got a nice char on these. So we're going to take these and put them in our food processor. Not to make too big of a mess. Oh, there we go. There it is. My mess. This out of the way. All right, so to this we're going to add a good pinch of salt and a nice big handful of cilantro. And I'm going to start off by putting in just one lime. There we go. Now where'd my towel go? We're going to pulse this to the consistency you like it. There we go. Now we're going to give this a little taste test, make sure we got enough salt in here. And a little pinch more. And there we go. Just throwing stuff everywhere. Taste test. Perfect. Now let's get us a good serving bowl. That goes so good with chips and over tacos. Need me a little spatula. Don't want to lose none of this. And there we go. So you can serve this warm if you like. It tastes just as good if you serve it chilled, but I tend to put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour for it to cool down, and then serving it up with some chips, and we're talking a nice little snack. And all in all, you're looking at under 30 minutes for making a fresh salsa. So I hope everyone enjoyed the video. Remember, new videos are posted every Tuesday. Remember, be nice and be kind, because you may make someone's day. So enjoy cooking in the kitchen.